Scorpio. 2020 we're talking about, and even 2021. This will stay, this focus line of action will stay till 18 months, okay, globally. So Rahu in Taurus and Ketu in Scorpio, we will talk about the main characteristics in general. As to, I will not talk about each and every star sign or specific horoscopes, but I'm talking in general as to what it will bring, what these energies, Rahu energy and Ketu energy, will bring to you when they are changing their positions. Okay, so I made some important points. Okay, like I said, it's 18 months of transit that's happening. So you need to understand that it gets very difficult for me to talk about so many things at the same time in a short video. So that's why I always do some bullet points, and I make sure that I can give you the maximum information which is required and which can be understood by a layman also. Okay, so let's get started. So so you need to understand that Rahu is your present karma. Okay, your karma. Rahu is materialistic form of life. Okay, and Ketu is spiritual form of life. This most of us are aware of, okay, who are not into astrology also, but since so many things keep on happening on online, we keep on hearing, keep on reading. So people who are new to this, remember Rahu is a materialistic energy. Okay, it wants more, it wants to expand, and Ketu is spiritual energy. Okay, so spiritual form of life. Rahu brings lots of surprises. Okay, and Ketu on the other hand, it brings a lot of stability, constant speed. Okay, and the element is earth and water that we are talking about here. Okay, so Rahu is a shadow planet. Rahu is a shadow planet, defines new karma. Okay, enhances your materialistic desires. It's a desire based planet, so a lot of desires and a lot of things that you want to do, it will expand that, it will expand your desires also. Okay, Ketu on the other hand believes in sacrifices. It is a planet of sacrifices, detachment. Also when Ketu enters Scorpio, okay, when Ketu enters Scorpio, it has a lot of secret knowledge involved. Okay, sharpness towards research. Sharpness towards research means detailing towards research. That is the basic trait of Ketu when it enters Scorpio. Okay, now Rahu and Taurus, let's talk about this. This is a very generalized video, but this came from so many people. Will create illusions. Rahu always creates illusions. In fact, I've always been saying this. Opportunities to earn more money. It will always create a desire, materialistic desire for you to earn a lot of money. You will not be satisfied no matter how much money you have. You will still want to upgrade it. Okay, that's the feature of Rahu. Okay, Ketu in Scorpio wants to learn more spiritual aspects. The way Rahu has a desire to earn a lot of materialistic stuff. Similarly, Ketu wants to learn so much of knowledge, so much of occult knowledge, so much of secretive knowledge. It is always hungry for that. Okay, so these are the basic things which differs, makes them different to each other. Okay, now Rahu in Taurus means, if people have seen my video about what's going to happen in 2020, I said that in the month of September, Rahu will enter Mrigshara Nakshatra, which is a nakshatra of healing. Okay, so we're talking about corona and different kind of viruses, that yes, we will get, the healing will start for it, and that's exactly the time has come. Rahu has entered Taurus, means it's entered the Mrigshara Nakshatra, so healing will start. Travel, the desire to travel and traveling will increase. Once again, travels will increase worldwide. Okay, alcohol will increase. Drinking alcohol will increase. Okay, fun elements will increase. You will want to have a lot of fun. Okay, that's what's Rahu is going to do. Desires towards glamour. Okay, attraction zone will increase. These are all the traits of Rahu. Now it's going to bring in those things that I've written here. Okay, looking for entertainment, fun, All these kind of activities will suddenly increase now. Okay, you will see. But another important thing I had mentioned before also in my previous video of 2020, that a lot of online frauds, because Rahu is the main stage of online things happening, the Wi-Fi, the net. Okay, this is governed by Rahu, so a lot of online frauds will increase, so be careful on that. War possibilities worldwide will happen, so you need to take care of that also. Then gambling will also increase. Another aspect of Rahu is that gambling will also increase. Okay, so this is something that Rahu is going to bring in. Okay, now let's talk about Ketu. Now Ketu in Scorpio, right? So see, transformation for the better. Now Scorpions, wonderful time to gain knowledge, wonderful time to enhance the hunger, to complete the hunger and enhance your spiritual capacities and capabilities. This is a correct time. It's a wonderful 18 months that you can give yourself to increase your spiritual enlightenment as well. So transformation for the betterment. You will transform yourself in some way, okay, for the better in this period, because Ketu has entered Scorpio. Okay, respect will be very important for Scorpios at this time of this span of time. Extremely important. So friends and families, even the college, the colleagues, I will say that people who are Scorpions, they will demand a lot of respect. Suddenly the dignity factors and the respect factors will increase for them, because they'll be spiritually inclined. Okay, they'll be a bit detached also from the world, because they'll be more into spiritual aspects and spiritual works, okay, or spiritual learnings. Sharpness in words, attitude, thoughts will increase. All this will increase if respect is not given to the Scorpions. Okay, if the seniority is not given, if there's a designation in which any Scorpio is senior to you in work front, and if you do not give respect for being senior to that person, you will have to face the music. Then I'm making it very clear for the people, because Scorpions can be very sweet, but at the same time they can be very stingy as well. So this is something that you need to be careful about. Okay, past life karmas and relationships will really matter, and they will become suddenly very important. So whatever you've done in the past in your relationships, or the kind of relationships that have been coming from the past to you, that will become very important to you. You will start analyzing them into the karma system as to what happened, and even there is something that you need to pay back to some relationship, not in monetary terms but emotionally also and socially also. That will suddenly become important for you. Okay, karmic friendships also will be important. I can say it's a payback time, Scorpions. People who've been good with you, you'll be good with them. People who've been bad with you, you will be very, very detached, and you'll be extremely I would say lethal with them when it comes to words, vocabulary, even in actions. Okay, so I would say that friends who have Scorpion friends, okay, be very careful with them. Okay, then you will be a very good house taker suddenly. You will be thinking everything in depth about your house. For that matter, if there is something that you need, there's some pending work in your house that needs to be done. Okay, you will suddenly, that work of the house will become important for you, and you will become a nice housemaker and a house taker, and you will want to complete that work. Okay, come what may, you will say that no, I have to get this completed, I have to get this organized. Okay, so because you will actually how should I explain this to you? You will actually relate this house duty with your spiritual duty. You will link this spiritual thing that yes, this is my work, this is my responsibility, and this is a part of being spiritual. If I'm completing my responsibility, so these kind of thoughts will start coming in you, to be more responsible, to be more energetic in the aspects that were pending in your life, for that matter. But there's one issue for Scorpions: their health. Their health needs to be taken care of, because this Ketu has entered your sign, and Ketu brings a lot of unidentified health issues. So suddenly if you're feeling restless, suddenly if you're feeling that your energies are not up to the mark, take care of it. And there's no point having medicines. Have light food. For the Scorpions, have light food, go for little exercises or walk, and that's about it. Keep your mind positive, and keep your mind in the research work. Keep your mind in some experiments spiritually happening, or travel spiritually in the spiritual places, and maybe make a documentary or do a research on them, or enhance your spiritual capacities by meditations or mantra enchantings or siddhis or sadhanas that if you're doing. It's a great time for that. Okay, so this is about the thing about Scorpion and Rahu, the position changing thing that has happened, and this will remain for 18 months, like I said. So you can actually be very, very alert and aware after hearing this video, that what needs to be done. And if you have people in your family who have this position, be careful. And people who are into Scorpions, if you're really into spiritual work, great time. Do a lot of pujas, do a lot of meditation, enhance your spiritual aspect. This month and this time is very, very important for all. Okay, so that's about it in this video. I will come up with another important video next week. Till then, goodbye.